have a long history of working together for the fisheries development, and we have cooperation project for development of Guan development amenage, and also improvement of fisheries extension systems, and also research for fishery resources. And based on these experiences working together, we are now supporting African countries for their development of fisheries sector. And it comes to the PDA, Guan Development Amenage. It is base for the providing administrative support for fishers, and it's also help the fishers to improve their fisheries based livelihood. And I think Moroccan's experiences of development of PDA, it's really a good example for the African countries. And this training course gives a very practical, useful training for the participants from African countries.